Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. In fact, I want to introduce my tours to the Legazpi last year. We first go to the place. It's in fact it's wildlife park. It's by, and you can see this park is quite funny. It's like a mixture, like a garden as well as a zoo. So from in this zoo we see different kind of local animals, the eagles, wild boar, different kind of birds, lizard as well. Especially the eagles that interest me. There are different kind of eagles, and there seems like a very lonely stand there alone. And you also can see they have a playground for the kids, dinosaurs. Then the next one, we go to the Legazpi Nature Park, and it's a beautiful park inside the city. And from this park, you can first see all the scenery of the city as well as the beautiful Mayon Volcano from far away. You can see that you will pass by the Japanese tunnel as well. Yep. Next we go to the Daranga Church. It's a very old Asian type of the Spanish style Catholic church here. It's quite grandiose from afar. You can take pictures of this church, and especially this church and the blue sky. It's kind of beautiful and grandiose. And inside they have a small museum that you can see how this church built up. Then we go to the Gaksawa ruins. This in fact is also another church, but this is the oldest church here. You can only see the part of the church left. That's why they call it ruins. And in fact, the ruins is exactly on the path to the Mayon Volcano. And it is ruins, in fact it's also park, so you can see the different kind of the stones, the trees, and the most interesting things you can see the beautiful Mayon Volcano from afar. You can see here the Mayon Volcano is lively, right? It's still under ATV adventure. Definitely you cannot miss. This is one of the very interesting parts of the Legazpi. I don't want to talk on anything about this today, just Tawa Tawa here is kind of far from the Legazpi city. Normally you don't easily go here. They have either by rental car or either by a public transportation. When you have a lot of time, I think this is a good place for you to travel. In fact, in this here they have a lot of the Christian statues. So a lot of people come there to see the statues as well. And the good thing is, from this here you can see the very beautiful sunset, and as well as this here is very peaceful and very green and very beautiful. I really like this. If you really have time, I suggest you can take some time to visit here. Okay. Mayon Skyline, I don't need to mention more. If you really want to visit the Mayon Volcano, definitely you have to go to this skyline. This is the most close to the inner part of the Mayon Volcano. Of course, you cannot really go to the crater; it's illegal. But to go to here is quite hard. You need to buy the rent a personal car or even buy a motor come here. But it's worth it when you come here. It's very cool.
It's a lot of fog today, so really you can see very clearly about the view. Mayon Volcano in the back.
Sumlang Lake is the last destination we went there. The beautiful scenery here is that from this lake you can see the beautiful Mayon volcano from far, and also you can rent rafting on this peaceful lake. But this lake is very small. But if you have more time, I suggest you can come here. But if you don't have many time, it's just optional.